All right, so we've covered what to eat, how to shovel, how not to get fined for driving a snowy car. I guess all we need at this point, Ray, is, the snow.
The snow, that's what's going to hold all this together, and that is inching closer and closer to us. We've been showing you over the course of the past few days how we expect this to be sort of two things coming together. Part one is inching in here, part two coming up on the heels, and they're connecting, and they're gonna catch up and squeeze out that snow. And you can see there are some bands in here where some of that snow is heavier, just north of Charleston, West Virginia. That is creeping northward and will continue to do so between now and about 3 a.m. when we're looking at some pretty widespread snow across the region. Already some little pockets around Waynesburg moving towards Fayette County. So Uniontown, you're going to get in on that. But what is going to happen by about 3 a.m. is some widespread snow across the region. And at times, some of this snow could be heavy. And this snow stays quite consistent into the early part of the morning commute and then right on through it. So we are going to get the potential of significant accumulation just through the morning commute. So up to 2 inches overnight. During the commute, 2 to 4 inches not out of the question, with more snow through the afternoon, because you can see once we get past lunchtime, while the snow showers start to break up, there's still plenty of snow showers scattered around the region that we're going to see into the evening before we start seeing this snow band out into lake effect. So the way this works out, tomorrow, we're generally looking up to 2 inches overnight. So that means now, which most of us aren't seeing any snow until the start of the morning commute. Then from the morning commute through the morning commute, you're looking at 2 to 4 inches, potentially 1 to 3 for the afternoon with some lake effect into Saturday. And when all is said and done, you look right at the big number, but just remember, this is a range. We're looking at 3 to potentially 7 inches of snow in a few instances. Most spots tomorrow are going to probably be in the 4 to 5 inch range, so sort of the middle of that category is what we're expecting. There's going to be a few spots that overperform and get those higher amounts, and then some other spots that don't get as much. Now, in the ridges, that's where we're expecting the highest snow totals, and this is where we have those winter storm warnings, because 5 to 10 inches with isolated spots picking up even more once you factor in the lake effect. And part of the reason these snow totals are higher is the cold air. We've had the cold air all week, and when you see snow falling into a colder column of air, that means it takes less moisture to make more snow. So this is going to be a pretty efficient snowmaker. Wind chills, they're not too bad as our winds are calm right now. So overall, we're looking at 23 degrees for our low tonight. 2 inches by the morning commute. From the morning commute into the rest of the day, we could see another 2 to 4, 3 to 5 inches once you factor in the afternoon. So all said and done, 3 to 7 across the region, 29 for the high temperature tomorrow. It gets colder to kick off the weekend with a few scattered lake effect snow showers. We dry it up for a couple days, and then our temperatures take off next week with some rain returning with the warm up.